Hello guys, welcome to Ramp Hobbies, and today it's mystery unboxing time. So we received our package earlier, and today we will going to unbox it, and we're going to use
cutter
and scissors, and as we always say, warning, warning, extremely dangerous. So when using any sharp objects, make sure you have your parents with you or you have an adult supervision. Without further ado, let's open the box.
Like cutter, scissors, and stapler or knife.
Yeah. Those are very dangerous
for kids.
So if you're using that,
yeah, only for big kids.
By the way, last unboxing of Mystery Box, we got Brave Valkyrie and Random Booster Volume 20.
Oops,
and we got the prize bay, and we already unboxed that last time.
You can watch the unboxing.
We'll put the Brave Valkyrie and Curse Satan unboxing in the description below.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep. 3,
2, 1. Oh, okay, so it's Superking Beyblades. So this is Brave Valkyrie.
Another Brave Valkyrie.
Brave Valkyrie. What's this? Beyblade Ragnarok. What's that?
Wait.
King Helios. Oh, what's that? Can I see?
A car.
Can I see?
My car. Best day ever.
Hey, calm down. Okay, so this is Cornell 64. Nissan GTR. Oh, hold on, it's not focusing well. Sorry about that.
Did you order that to me?
Hold on.
I knew it.
Hold on, it's not focusing. Okay, so that's a Nissan GTR Nismo 2020 Ultimate Metal Silver. Wow, this is really heavy.
Say what? Let's give that away later.
Actually, Nissan GTR is our favorite car.
Yeah, and my favorite car is
very cool.
Chevrolet. What's that?
What's this?
Chevrolet
Hiko 7 Plus. That JP or Japan. Anyway, we just wanted to have this one.
I wanna say something at the video.
Yeah, what is it?
My favorite racing car is Bumblebee. Yep.
So here is the random booster. No more Beyblade products here. Let's open this one. Let's see if we're going to get.
I'm gonna tell you something.
What is it?
Did you order this for me? This GTR Nismo.
Let's see if you're a good boy then.
I knew it! You ordered this to me.
I think that's just a display, but we can play with it. Okay, so let's see if we can get
what?
Curse Satan, the prize bay. Okay. Riley, please calm down. Let's see if we can get the prize bay, because many of our customers are actually looking for it when we unbox ours. Ooh, what's this? Here's the stickers. Hold on. Focus. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! Whoa! Curse Satan first. Oh man, 16401. Okay, so for those actually we received three requests for this, so we'll just check if who's the first one to request it.
I gotta tell you something.
What is it? That's
okay.
That's good. Actually, what we wanted on this random booster is Union Spring Gun.
And
because
also
Union Spring Gun,
Beyblade Ragnarok.
yeah, that we can get that because the Union Spring Gun have an outer and quick dash.
Yeah,
That's
or quick.
the only thing we need, actually, the quick
3,
dash.
2.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Open it.
Oh shoot!
What's that? Oh, I think this is the 7 or 8. Okay, so 8, Flame Sagittario. That's cool.
Flame Sagittario.
Flame Sagittario have 0-0. That's good. And keep Dash. So that's a dash driver. Dash drivers are the one with the red
I'm gonna tell you something.
with the red part here, and they are
This one is
harder
red
to burst
actual
because they have
forward.
tighter
What's the driver?
springs.
What's the driver?
What's that? What's the number?
It's 3164.
Yeah, I mean this one. This one is merge dash.
Merge dash?
Merge
Did you
dash.
merge?
I'm not sure.
is
That's
that
not true.
accurate
I mean that's not
or-
new. 3, 2, 1. Whoop. So this one is. What's the number? Hold on.
Ah, look, it's like a brief.
Oh man, you're funny. So that's 04. That's Tak Diabolos 2 Glaive Low Gen. Actually, Tak I've seen few competitive top finishes. But the Tak of
We need
the Tak is I don't
next-
like the color, but maybe we can open that one soon. That's still close, right? Oh man, Union
May
Springer,
I tell
please.
you something?
What?
We need Blade Hyperion and Curse Wagner, but
Oh, 3, 2, 1.
do
So
we?
this is Curse Ragnarok
Alright!
0 Axel Dash 1S. What's the first? Curse. Oh, so this one. Oh, that's the Ragnarok you're talking about, right?
Now we got it. And then next is this one. We need to get this one.
We already got that one from the last mystery box. So we can actually build the
Like
the Ragnarok of
yeah. This one.
Ragnarok or Ranjiro.
Yep.
1, 2, 3,
We
4.
build this
Do you have
one.
the sixth box?
I think we're going to get
Get that one. We're gonna open that one also. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! So, so this is Glide Hyperion. 7 Bump Survive 1D. So this one is the one you're talking about. Okay, so with this we can already build the Glide
Ragnarok White.
of...
Ranjiro na.
Hey, put that there.
Let's open it later.
We'll see about that. Because I think there's no difference, right? Can you get the last one?
This one?
Union, please. Union Trigger.
I want Union Trigger.
Actually, we'll just gonna open the quick dash driver.
Yep. Also,
Please, Union. Oh man, this is Earth Aquila. If I'm not mistaken. 07, that's Earth Aquila Vanguard Merge Dash. Oh, what color is the Vanguard of this one?
I know.
Wow, I think it's color blue. Wow, that's a cool color.
Yeah, I love color.
We
Like-
got color
like
red
it-
and
It's like this color.
violet, I guess.
Yep.
Anyway, oh, that's interesting. Anyway,
I'm gonna tell you something.
what?
We need to build this one.
Let's see if we can.
I wanna open it now.
Because
Before
I don't see any advantage on opening that one. Oh,
Alright? We need glass.
anyway, guys.
That's all for our mystery unbox.
Let's check if this is the rare version.
Alright, just like the one attack of Super Hyperion.
Yeah, we
It's
got
really-
the rare version of Super
Wow!
Hyperion. So, not the rare version because the rare version, the metal should be color red.
How about this one?
Hold on. Let me
Next, this one.
open that one also.
Is anybody paying?
By the way, guys, join our Brave Valkyrie giveaway. We'll put the description on. We'll put the link on the description also. So that's a free to enter giveaway. Okay, I think this is also not the rare version. Anyway, that's all for our mystery unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
you so